How to record a meeting in Microsoft Teams. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, start off by launching a Teams application in your device. Make sure that your application is up to date and you are signed up in it. To record a meeting, first and foremost, just click on the meeting option. In order to do so, you can check out the calendar icon. At the side in your left-hand corner, you will find some of the little icons. From here, you can easily check out your meetings and join from here. All you need to do is just tap on the join option or visit the calendar and select on the meeting and tap on the join icon. From here, now to join, you can tap on the settings option to make sure that your audio, speaker, camera is well connected. Then tap on Join Now. At the top in your dashboard, you will find the option of More. Just click on it. From here in the Settings option, you should find the option of Record. By clicking on it, the meeting will be recorded and it will be stored in the Teams cloud. The recording will be present in your meeting chat, where every member can easily get access to it to check out latest updates if someone has missed the meeting. And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.